If you already installed the Target Decision Suite and now want to add or maybe remove some of the components, you can simply run the setup file again and go here and modify the setup. Now, we have already installed the server and the client itself. Maybe we'd like to add Target Data Discovery and maybe Target Anywhere configuration as well. Now, for some of the components, you can change the default settings. You can see the default settings here with regard to language, target server, etc. And if you want to change any of these things, just disable the default settings. For example, for language, maybe you'd like to add German as a second language here. That might be important for understanding maybe dates correctly. So having done that, we can now go next and then click the modify button, and it'll actually update your Target Decision Suite installation with those extra components. Once it has completed, we can exit it and go here and start up the Target client. We would like to verify that the Target Data Discovery components have actually been installed. So we simply go here to the design menu, and indeed here we see it, Data Discover and the Add File option.